2025 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. This truck makes room for the whole family. You'll absolutely love all of the included premium features such as lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, four-wheel drive, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential, adjustable steering wheel. This is a top-rated dealer. Come in now. This vehicle is ready for immediate delivery.